Hello everybody, this is Troy, and I wanted to announce my latest puzzle, which is now complete. And I've been calling it a dual tetrahedron. I do kind of like dueling pyraminx, just because it basically is two pyraminx kind of jammed together in its solved state. So you can see we've got the one that's inverted to the other, and if you look at it from any side, you'll kind of see how they oppose. I'm really happy with this cube. I mean, I've been thinking so much in the last couple days about how I can get this in the hands of more people. My 3D printing process, it's slow, and I love the results, but man, this is really cool. Let me show you the cube though. Because I'm only using 4 colors, there are colors that are repeated here. So each pyraminx is stickered with 4 colors, and what that results in is that you get an opposite. So the bottom here of this one is blue, and so the other one opposing it right here across the slice. And then the same with my white color, you're going to see across here. And I initially thought that the 4 colors would make it easier than if I did a full 8 colors, but it's presented a very interesting situation. My edges are always going to have a pair, so there's a red and white here. Opposite of that, there's going to be another red and white. That means you're going to have some parity in the solve, because these can be swapped however during the solve. But when it comes to the corners, you have circumstances where here I've got just any corner here. Going clockwise, I've got red, white, blue. The opposite is going to also be red, white, and blue, but it's going to be red, blue, white. And so when you're solving, you not only need to find the corner that's got the right colors, but it needs to be in the right order. And that actually really creates a extra step in the solve that I wasn't expecting. So right now this cube is a little bit rattly. What I did is I had increased the length of my center cores just a little bit, and I think they're bottoming out because it shares the mechanism with this cube, and this cube doesn't have any of that rattle. So I'm going to actually redo the centers on this. Just the stocks are going to be a little shorter, and I might even be able to shave them down with a file. But here's the puzzle. It's turning great once everything's been filed down, and let's see here. I can do just do elgs with it, just a corner swap thing, and I'm just trying to show you how it turns here. I'll cycle it back around. So there's that. What else can I show? Well, here's another one I'm printing. And if you recall, if you've seen my first video, this is what it looks straight off the printer. Here's the inside of it. And the turning, I'll try turning this without the faces here. It's pretty decent right off the printer. And as of right now, if I'm going to be able to sell any of these, I'm going to have to sell them as a kit form, which is going to be essentially this plus stickers. And you would be responsible for sanding them down, filing them down to get them to work like this. There's no difference between this one and this one. That's just the result of let's see, about 4 days of filing basically to get these parts. And if I look at a piece here, let me pop out a piece here. What I've done inside. You can kind of see what I've done and what that looks like. And here's a piece that has not been sanded right here. And you can see the lines in there when I get on the highlight. So that's basically the only thing I've done, and it just takes some time. And so there you go. And I've got my assortment here. I just wanted to show. I realize I've been doing this now a year, and this represents kind of last year of progress for me in my puzzle designs. It all kind of started with my trapezoid edge cube, which is still one of my favorites. It's a very unique solve. You need to offset things to be able to turn these faces. Then I moved on to the Barrel X, which is really fun to hold. It's a great shape, no harsh corners or anything. A little hard to finger trick because it's hard to get your fingers on anything. This is my non-unique design. I just wanted to get the mechanism down. Since you can buy this elsewhere, no reason to print that one, but that was used as the internal for this one, and I've got a few other designs based on that, and I hope to see them sometime probably next year. I'll be putting some more based on this design. Then I went back to a little more simple one. This is just an octahedron, but instead of being fully proportional, it's a little bit squished, so you do get some shape shifting on it. Fun puzzle. This one's really easy to make, so it's appealing that way, and it just kind of looks cool. And now, of course, my latest one, and I'm really excited about this one. And I don't know, I just wanted to show it off, kind of give you a good look of it here. So I'm thinking maybe dueling Pyraminx. I would appreciate anybody watching this video. Leave me comments about it. Let me know you're interested in it. I'm just trying to judge the market. I've put these on Thingiverse in the past. I'm hesitating slightly on this because I'm pursuing options right now to see about what it would take to get it mass produced. And I don't know. I'm still early in the stages on that, but I do want to show it. And there you go. Thank you.